Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your browser history from your Google Chrome browser. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start this video. Open your browser and here you can see the three dot icon. Go in here and go to your history. You can also click Ctrl plus H. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus H. Here you can see delete browsing data, or you can select like this. So I'm going to unselect this. I'm going to delete all of my browsing history. So click on this, delete browsing data. So you can see in here, browsing history, delete history from all signing devices, cookies or other site, sign out most sites will stay. So you need to sign in most of the website and catch image or file free of less than 319 MB. So I'm going to select this, delete data. Now guys, you can see our data is clear. So guys, if I go to my history again, then you can see all my data is clear. So guys, in this way you can easily delete your history and caches in your browser. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming interesting videos.